Hello, my name is Z.Andrews, and this is the task tool matrix I created. Creating this task tool matrix has opened my eyes to how many tools are out there for students in the classroom that were not available in the past, and it shows me how far we're going to continue to go to help students out, not only in school, but in life when they graduate. To start with reading, a lot of the tools that I firsthand get to see is applications that are available on students' Chromebooks. At the school I'm teaching at, all the students are given Chromebooks, so we have a lot of tools that they already know how to use to help them day to day. Start with reading. Using funds of knowledge is huge. You got to find out what your students know. I teach them how to predict, identify main ideas, summarize stories, question, story maps. Vocabulary activities are huge. You got to teach the kids the language before they can speak it. Like I said, Chromebooks are the #1 tool that we use at my school, but also iPads and iPhones. The kids have their iPhones on them all the time already, and they love them. So I try to encourage them and show them how much of a tool that can be in the classroom. And it gets a lot of kids engaged, and a lot of kids really do use their phones in a positive way. Speak text, Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Forms, YouTube, all really good assistive technology in the classroom. Right now, I am currently teaching 7th grade science, so that's what I get to see firsthand. We do a lot of hands-on learning experiments. We have not done any field trips yet because of COVID, but that's going to be changing soon, I hope. Like I said, we use the Chromebooks. We have access to Discovery Education website for students and teachers, and it's a really good website. They have everything available in Spanish because currently we deal with 25% EL Spanish speaking students, and so they have everything available in Spanish, which is really good. Not too many students take advantage of it, but I always encourage them to know that they can use it if they want. Google's great, all the tools. Kahoot make it really fun. If the kids don't have their Chromebooks, I have them use their iPhone, and I have a lot of kids who they're ready to play Kahoot every time I put a quiz up. Quizlet's a good one. Discovery Education is what we use. Padlet's good. Have a discussion board. That's good for all subjects. Edpuzzle is great. Make an activity out of any video you can find on YouTube, and it gets the kids engaged and gets them focused. Overall, this project has shown me a lot about assistive technology in the classroom, and I don't plan on stopping learning anytime soon.